Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with the OM CONNECT Smart Key Box. With its zinc alloy construction, it comes in at almost 1 kilogram, which is 2.29 pounds to be more precise. It is beefy and measures in at 120 by 44 millimeters across. It takes 4 AAA batteries and has a C port in case power ever runs out. On the back, there's a piece of rubber for extra shackle placement. Opening the OM CONNECT, you see just how big it truly is. One side houses the 4 AAA batteries and the reset button, and on the other side it's shipped with mounting hardware. Behind that are mounting holes, but look at all that space! With just enough room for some stickers and maybe my keys. To open, enter your 6-digit code, or, if you're as savvy as I am, use your phone with a BT Touch Unlock. And as far as the lockbox being smart, it can store multiple passwords and can also be opened with dynamic password, used one time or temporarily. Have a looky-loo over your shoulder? Type in numbers before and or after your 6-digit code, and as long as in that mess of numbers your code is entered, the OM CONNECT will still open. In summation, it's great for Airbnbs, housekeeping, deliveries, and so much more. It's a beefy lockbox with a huge amount of space and a ton of potential. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.